sa'yo ba ang freelancing? Tutulungan kita mag-decide by sharing you 9 benefits of being a freelancer. I-clear lang natin, yung freelancer na tinutukoy ko ay online freelancer, yung pwede mong gawin yung work mo using computer at internet at nasa bahay lang. Number 1 is being your own boss. Pag isa kang freelancer, ikaw yung boss, ikaw mamimili kung anong service ang gagawin mo, kung sinong client yung tatanggapin mo at ilang client. Freelancing is like being a self-employed. Pangalawa naman, no more hassle of commuting, di ba? Kasi pwede ka nang mag-work sa bahay. Usually, yan yung majority ng freelancer sa atin, sa Philippines, mga nasa bahay. Pangatlo naman, work anywhere. Diba? Yan yung gusto ng iba. Pwede ka sa beach. Habang nagbabakasyon, pwede ka pa rin magtrabaho. Yan yung one of the best perks or benefit ng freelancing. Work anywhere. Yan yung number 3. Number 4, higher earning potential. Ayun nga, choice mo kung ilang client kukunin mo. Mas maraming client, mas maraming work, mas malaki ang income potential. Number 5, work flexibility. Gusto mo ba pang gabi yung work mo? Ikaw magde-decide. Gusto mo pang umaga lang? Ikaw ang magde-decide. Number 6, more family time. Since yun nga, yung number 2, di ba? No more commuting. Marami kang nasisave na time na pwede mong gamitin sa family mo. Number 7, time ulit. More personal time. Siyempre, same din sa family time. Mas maraming time na nasisave, like sa pag-commute, magagamit mo as your personal time. And number 8, no office politics. Since wala ka na sa traditional employment, you work for yourself, wala nang politics, di ba? And then number 9, working wearing pajamas or kahit nakapambahay ka, hindi yan importante sa client mo. Being a freelancer, ang pinaka-importante sa clients mo is yung work output. So working anywhere, wearing and kahit anong gusto mong isuot, di ba? Pambahay, usually mga freelancer, pwedeng-pwede. So yan yung 9 benefits of being a freelancer. Isa ka bang aspiring freelancer? Share mo naman kung ano yung reason mo kung bakit gusto mo maging freelancer. Kung freelancer ka naman na, ano yung top 1 reason mo bakit ka nag-freelancer? Share mo naman yan sa amin. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.